how to connect your Clash of Clans account to your Supercell ID. Supercell has its own ID called Supercell ID where you can connect all of your Supercell games. So let's see how you can do it. First, open your Clash of Clans, and from here you can see these gear icons at the bottom right, just right above the shops. So just tap on it, and this will open up the settings. Also connected with Google Play, so just tap on it to connect to your Google Play account. Connect to your Supercell ID. You can just tap on this disconnected. As you can see, the Supercell ID right now is disconnected, so let's try to connect it. If you tap on it, you can next and choose a account that already have it. You can log your Supercell ID, register for a new one. To create a new, just continue. You can enter your email. Simply tap on register, and in the education code, you will just have to tap on, and you'll be good to go. Connected your Clash of Clans accounts. We will connect your new Supercell ID. Found it helpful, and I'll see you on the